Welcome to Camper Versions. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to operate the fridge. The Waeco CRX50 fridge is the most economical on the market, but generally any fridge will have the biggest strain on the leisure battery over anything else in the camper. The fridge is wired directly to the leisure battery, meaning it will switch on and off independently from the PMS unit, so you do not need to set the leisure battery switch on. To turn on the fridge, press and hold the on-off switch located inside the fridge until the illumination lights come on. You can adjust the temperature settings using the temperature button that will cycle through each setting upon each press. To turn off the fridge, press and hold the on-off button until the illumination lights turn off. The ability to use the fridge without hookup can vary between 2 to 7 days, and this depends on many factors like the cool setting of the fridge, the climate outside the camper, and whether a solar panel is fitted. The colder the fridge setting, the harder it has to work. The warmer the climate outside the camper, the harder it has to work, and so more power is used from the leisure battery. Even when a solar panel is fitted, the power used can be greater than the input from solar. Therefore, it is very important to turn the fridge off when not in use and use hookup facilities whilst in the middle of a long trip. Always ensure the leisure battery is being charged by all available systems before use, which can be seen in our battery charging tutorial. The fridge needs at least 11.7 volts to initially start and will cut out at 10.4 volts. If the fridge is turned off mid-trip and the voltage is, for example, 11.4 volts, it won't restart until the leisure battery has been recharged. There are some great ideas to keep the fridge's power usage down to a minimum. For example, turn the fridge to maximum before your trip whilst hooked up for as long as possible. When you set off on your adventure, the fridge will then be running off your leisure battery, but it will already be nice and chilled. Only put already cold items in the fridge and keep it as full as possible. Slimline ice packs can also keep the temperature down without using much space and open the door as little as possible. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch all our tutorials to discover just how easy a Camper Versions vehicle is to use.